In the year 64 AD, one of the greatest cities in the ancient world was suddenly consumed by flames. Rome, the heart of a vast empire, was crowded with wooden buildings and narrow streets. When the fire began, it spread rapidly through the city, destroying homes, temples, and marketplaces. For 6 terrifying days, the fire raged across Rome. Thousands of people lost their homes, and much of the city was reduced to ashes. At the center of the controversy was Emperor Nero. Some ancient historians claimed Nero watched the flames from his palace while playing music. Others believed he rushed back to Rome and helped organize relief efforts for the victims. But rumors spread quickly among the frightened population. Many believed that Nero himself had ordered the fire to clear space for a new and grander palace. To silence the accusations, Nero blamed a small religious group known as Christians and began a brutal persecution against them. Whether Nero truly started the fire or not remains one of history's greatest mysteries. But the Great Fire of Rome changed the city